I'm Helen and I look after the gardens here at Lodge Yard, which is a full year's work. We never stop. There's as much to do in winter as there is in summer, really. In addition to the garden, I also provide social history walks and talks here for the bondholders in Lodge Yard. This is something that I do for another organisation and I'm happy to do it here as well. And again, people really seem to enjoy them, so they can really connect with the history of this village and indeed the site, which obviously has a rich history within itself. Askrigg itself has a very rich history. It actually started way back in 600 to 800 AD when the Angles came into this area via the Vale of York. The village was established. At one time it was a centre for wool dyeing and clockmaking. It had a market charter granted in 1587. And the four men were appointed. They were the official market trustees, and they governed all aspects of village life right through until 1895 when the parish council came in. Obviously Askrigg is well known for being in the original All Creatures Great and Small, with Skeldale House being the best practice, and indeed our very own King's Arms was used for the filming of the interior of the Drover's Arms. So that in itself creates a lot of interest. And there's a lot of historical points to see as you walk through the village. We've got the grim reminder of the bull baiting. We've got the bull ring still in situ in the cobbles in the main marketplace. We've got St Oswald's, which a charter talks of a church standing here in 1145. The current church dates from about 1435. So there's a very rich history. And we also have 3 mills as well, and our very own mill gill with a wonderful waterfall in it. So there really is lots to see in Askrigg and explore.